Before you attach an FPV camera to your RC car, I highly recommend watching this video first. In this video, I'll be comparing footage from two different camera positions. One camera is mounted at the rear of the RC car and positioned slightly higher, while the other is mounted much further forward and slightly lower. As you watch, pay close attention to how each position performs as I navigate around the house, especially when going through tight corners. See which camera position gives you better visibility and allows you to get as close as possible to the corners of the walls without actually touching them. There's another challenge too. I have to avoid touching the grass. If the car goes onto the grass, I have to start the run all over again. Personally, I've mounted my FPV camera right at the very end of the RC car because I find that position works best for my needs. However, after watching this comparison, you might come to a completely different conclusion. So, which camera position do you think works best? Watch until the end and decide for yourself. Now that all four wheels have touched the grass, I need to make my way back to the starting point. But first, I need to get the car back onto the pavement. Since this isn't a crawler, I don't expect that to be easy. Before this simple test turns into a full-length movie, let me restart from the point where I dropped onto the grass and see if it's actually possible to make the turn without touching the grass. Now I'm going to hand the controller over to my son and let him give it a try.